Today we are comparing the Forestmaster FMFJ Farm Jack with the versatile FM3-LP 3-in-1 tool to help you decide which model best suits your lifting needs. The Forestmaster FMFJ is a dedicated heavy-duty farm jack engineered with a massive 3,000 kilogram lifting capacity and up to 1 meter of lift height for dependable lifting power. Constructed from high-tensile steel and rigorously tested, it delivers exceptional durability and strength for automotive maintenance and general agricultural tasks. It features an ergonomic handle alongside an integrated reversing latch mechanism that ensures smooth and controlled operation during demanding jobs. Building on that reliable 3-ton lifting power, the FM3-LP expands your capabilities by acting as a specialized 3-in-1 tool for tree felling, log lifting, and stump removal. It comes equipped with a dedicated tree pusher attachment and a custom cast iron base with locating peg holes that allow you to operate safely at an angle and accurately guide falling trees. It also functions as a handy log lifter, letting you hoist heavy timber off the ground or move logs in a pinch so you can safely clear your workspace or make clean chainsaw cuts. If you primarily need a robust high-capacity jack for lifting vehicles and agricultural machinery, the FMFJ is an outstanding choice. But if you regularly tackle forestry work and tree felling, the added versatility of the FM3-LP makes it well worth the additional investment. We hope this video helped you decide which tool fits your workflow best. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.